Where are my keys? I can't find my jewelry. I can't learn faster. I forgot my meeting again. Facing any of these problems in your daily life? So watch the video till end, because in this video I'm gonna give you all possible solutions which will maintain your brain health, improve memory, and will even improve your learning skills. First, we will move towards the food which is healthy for your brain and will make your memory better. In food, which food came in your mind when you think about the word memory? Is this true that your mother and grandmother used to say that eat almonds? It will make your mind sharper. Maybe you had not, but I have heard this line 100 times from my mother, grandmother, and even my grandfather. But the actual question is, are almonds only solution for a sharper brain? The answer is no. So first food which is consumed by 50% of the population of the world is fish. If you are also included in this 50%, then congrats, you have already started working on your brain development. You just have to start eating fish at least once in a week. Now I think you shouldn't have any reason of not eating fish once in a week, because it is not even expensive as other seafoods. Another food which is also in very easy approach is egg. Most of the people in the world eat eggs in their breakfast daily. Consumption of 2 eggs in your breakfast also fulfill the need of protein in your body. Fish and egg both work as a source of protein. Our body needs 3 to 4 portions of protein in a day. So after eating 2 eggs in breakfast and a medium-sized fish in your dinner, you can actually complete 50% need of protein in a day. Now let's talk about the spices which make your brain healthier. Yes, there is a spice which is very beneficial and many people use it in hundreds of home remedies. Yes, it's turmeric, the yellow one in your mother's kitchen. Adding a pinch of turmeric in your scrambled egg will make it tastier and healthier. People also use turmeric adding in milk. It is not tasty at all, but it is used to get relief from pain. Now after having a breakfast, you should eat an apple-sized fruit after 1 or 2 hours. So why not to eat a fruit to boost your memory? Eat a bunch of any type of berries. You can also have a yummy strawberry smoothie in your breakfast. Another fruits which can be eaten are avocado and orange. They both are really tasty. It's evening now and you need to eat some popcorn watching a movie. So instead of popcorn, have some nuts. Other than almonds, you can also have some walnuts. Pumpkin seed may not include in nuts, but you can also eat them watching a movie. I can also tell you a treat which really boosts memory. Dark chocolate helps you improve your memory, and in this way, your craving will also be satisfied. But remember to take it in portion, otherwise both body and mind will become wider, which is not good at all. So finally, it's night now and you are too sleepy to do your work. In this way, go and grab a cup of coffee. It will give you multi benefits, including good taste, make you active and sharpen your mind. But try not to add sugar in it, as too much intake of added sugar can also lower your memory. So this is a list of food which you can easily start using from today. Now please don't think that you will eat all of these things and your mind will become sharper tomorrow. You also have to apply on some of the tips I am going to tell you in this video, and also have to do some brain exercise to get result faster. I would recommend you to pause my video and go have a cup of coffee, berries or nuts, and watch the rest having these things. It may also help you remember these ideas. So number 1 tip is for those who keep their things in cupboard and find them on the table. So from today, when you keep your chain on the table, say it all aloud. I have kept my chain on a table. Or you can say that my chain is on the table. In this way, the chances of remembering it will increase, and if you forget about it even after saying this, the person sitting nearby will also make you remember that your chain is on the table. The second trick is for those students who say that we want to learn things faster. Number 1 solution for that is listening music during learning. In this way, your learning will become interesting and you will become in a good mood. The second solution is changing your environment. Take your books and go to a park. Direct sunlight is the best source of light and even give you vitamin D, which also help to improve brain health. Now, if it is night and you are too sleepy to study, then please don't go to park. In this case, the best solution is taking a nap. Set your alarm and sleep for half an hour or 1 hour. Don't think it will waste your time. It will increase your productivity. The topic you were doing since 3 hours will be done in 1 hour. If these ideas don't work, go try some fast learning ideas such as whatever you learn, revise it within 24 hours. Recalling it will take only 10 to 15 minutes, but it can make you remember the topic up to 6 months. Not word by word, but you will at least able to explain that topic even after 6 months. As a student, I can also give you a bonus advice. Whenever you wake up in the morning to give a test of topic which you have learned yesterday, try to recall the topic in your mind while you are getting ready for school or college. It is my guarantee that you will be able to write the lines which you recalled just in your mind. Tell me about your good or bad experience in the comment section. You can also increase your brain power by playing outdoor or indoor games. In outdoor games, I would recommend playing golf. In golf, you need to use your body with brain. You can also play table tennis, chess, and checkers are also played using brain. These are the brain exercises which help improve your brain power. You can also play a game in your brain like breaking a word in every possible word, like a word entertaining. Break it into enter, train, gain, etc. You can also improve brain power by avoiding calculators. Do the sum in your mind and then confirm the answer from calculator. So these were the food to improve memory. These were the tricks to remember things, and these were the exercise to improve your brain power. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe my channel to get more easy and crazy health tips. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.